Welcome everybody. This is part 3 of our Giant City State Park adventure. On this hike we do the Devil's Stand Table. This was supposed to be a short little hike until I got to the trail I really wanted to do, which is the Vermilion Trail.
Short little hike to the Devil's Stand Table.
We decided to make this stop because the Devil's Stand Table is on their logo. So many cool places to explore. This took us a little longer than we planned. We found a couple waterfalls and a cave to explore. You can also see a lot of rock climbers in this part of the park. Everything seems to get dramatically bigger the closer you get up to it.
Pretty. Rocks and the backside of water. Whoa, water.
Wouldn't be a video without an epic slow-mo water dripping scene. Coming. Oh no. Hi, Liddy. You're all small people. Who is it?
Nee. Hi, Nee.
Maybe I want. Can you bring him here?
Let's see. You got it.
See this. Here. Come here. No. Over here.
Come on, guys. Come on, boy. Hi, Mom. Right, get down. Get down. No, we're not going up any higher. I think I found the devil's sand table. It's right there. Devil's sand table.
And around this corner, we found another cool 2-tier waterfall.
Casey. Socks are wet. Get out of the water.
He wants to go.
He wants to go in the water. And his socks are wet. There the kids are. Backside of water. Does the joke get old? I don't know.
Come on, baby. You can have Mama. All right. Careful, you're gonna fall down the thing.
Here's a view from below of that waterfall. And there's the upper. That's the lower. All right, I got Milo now. Here to help Mama get past here. Rocks. So, this place is so cool. Oh man. Stay on the trail.
You want to take pictures? I'll take pictures. Just stay there though. Hold on. Let me take your picture. You have to look super cool. CJ, look at mama.
You look.
Well, let's take this off of HD. Put it on HD. There you go. Now we can see.
Another cool cave.
Cute little. What's that? Oh, it's mud.
It's mud.
I'm stepping in it. Okay.
Look at that crack. All right, that was worth a little excursion over here. Taking off your glasses really helps when you get into caves. I learned that from my wife. You don't look as cool without your glasses, but
I didn't look cool. I mean, I thought it was cool. We would get more. We would get more.
don't do that.
Alright, one last view of the Devil's Stand table as we head back to the car. Hope you guys all enjoyed our little hiking adventure in southern Illinois.
The lower layers. This is the reason for the creation of the flat table on the narrow pedestal. The stand table was formed by a large block that slipped away from the cliff during the Illinois Glacier period. Wow, 1,000 years ago. Alright, so there you go. These get educations. Alright. This was supposed to be a short hike, but so much to explore in the state park. I don't even know if you can even get the scope of how tall these walls are. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. The one guy was telling us to go do a different trail. It's like a 2-mile trail, but I don't think we're gonna have enough time to do it. We're just gonna enjoy what we got here, because I think we got a long drive home. I know we have a long drive home, and I don't want to get everybody home really late. There's that waterfall again. Do a couple more views, and we're gonna start heading home. All right. Kids are under the waterfall. All right. That was us exploring the Devil's Stand Trail. Milo is having little night terrors or something on me. Just shook. No, there's so much stuff to explore out here. Holy cow. Wasn't sure if going here instead of Garden of the Gods. Went there a little bit yesterday, but we didn't explore much. A lot of people, real loud. It's a lot quieter out here. Still people, still spring. Not in full bloom. But we have a creek waterfall. view from the other side. That's a cool little cascades and stuff with the rocks. I'm sure if the water was going pretty good, it'd look a little like rapids. Cascade. All right, we are leaving Giant City State Park. Almost got out to do the Trillium Trail. They were talking about the spring flowers being in bloom and all that fun stuff there. But we got 6-hour drive home. There's a waterfall right there on the side of the road. You guys can't see it because you're looking at me. I hope you guys enjoyed our little weekend getaway. We got 2 beautiful days at the state parks. And yeah, and if there's anything cool on our way home, I'll be sure to film that too. But until then, we'll see you guys later. Got some big tires on this trailer.
We did make one more stop at a Planes, Trains, Automobile filming location, but that will be for another video.
That cat factory, I think that's in Indiana. Big freaking earth movers. These are huge. I thought they were moving out of the country. Tires.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when more content is released.